Strategy trade.
Let's see.
Okay, now I'm there. So now that I'm in strategy trade, I need to move into messages. So I click
Right.
on messages.
You click on messages. You have to go to send message. You want to
I have to
delete
click on plus send new message.
right?
So I'm clicking on it.
Okay.
Then I navigate the cursor to where it says type a message.
Right. On the bottom.
On the bottom, and I click on it, and then I paste Control V, the email that I sent to Jason.
I just see
Then I
speaker.
scroll to the top. Don't tell me garbage, please. I plead with you. Please stop it. I navigate to the top of the email message to find Jason's phone number.
Okay.
And now that I found Jason's phone number, I'm going to copy it from my note to my clipboard buffer.
Okay.
Can you repeat it instead of saying like okay every time we're on the garbage? Thank you.
You have to copy the phone number to your clipboard.
I'm copying it with Control C, and then I paste it
in the to section.
In the to section with Control V.
You have to put it at the type.
Be quiet, please.
Yep, I don't know.
And now that I got it there,
okay, you have to click on it. Take out the comma.
I click on send to.
Right.
And wait to turn the arrow on the bottom blue. And now that it turned blue, I'm going to click on it, and it says the message send.
It just says send message, not.
And now it displays the message.
Right.
And by so doing, I have complied with the Google requirement to send the message. So I'm going to go back to my notes, and I'm going to add the number.
Phone number?
The phone number after my video string with Control V. So now I got that part.
I'm going to take out the comma.
And then I want to take out the comma from the end of it. And then I want to copy the message that Google sent to me saying that the number will expire within 30 days. Edit. Copy to the clipboard
buffer.
And then paste it.
Then paste.
After I added the @ sign with Shift add @
sign.
Control V to paste. And then I insert immediately after the phone number and the word will, the word not. So now we'll read
will, capital N.
Not expire. Due to the fact that I made an outbound text message.
Yes.
And then I append the video file name, which includes the string my video, dash the date, dash the time.mpeg, which is a video file name, and then the phone number that I made an outbound message to it. So I will put a short abbreviation, MSG, so I know that I sent an outbound message.
Okay, rather than a call.
Yes, and then I circulate the area code with open parentheses and close parentheses. So the letters that are surrounded with the parentheses are the XST.
Right.
The first 3 letters of the account name, which is xstrategy.trade.
Right.
In addition to that, I would like to save it in a file that is dedicated to my Google Voice account.
Okay.
And now I will mark the string with my cursor all the way to the \, and then go edit, copy,
Copy.
I copied it to the clipboard buffer, scroll down, and paste it as a prefix before the file name with Control V.
Control V.
And now I got an entire string that contains a path to the Google Voice One account,
Okay.
/ separated, then the file name
Strategy. Trade. Dot
that
trade.
is made out of the account name, @, the phone number will not expire in 30 days,
Okay.
my video, date -- time.mpeg, and then finally the message and the phone number.
Okay.
And now I copy the entire string to the clipboard buffer.
Did you copy the entire string?
I marked it with the cursor, then edit,
Copy.
and then I'm going to save it by selecting File,
Select file.
Save as. And now I'm waiting to paste the string
You paste the string
over the previous string,
over the previous string.
and then select the button, the Save button, and wait for it to save.
Wait for it to save.
And now that I saved it,
Now that you saved it,
I want to also upload it to the cloud
in that in
for
the
this account.
to that account. You also had messages that you didn't delete, former
So as
messages.
I'm going back to the messages, I will see if I have outdated
Which
messages
you do.
on the browser,
Right.
and I will deal with them.
But you have to go to the account.
So first of all, I navigate to the account.
See, you have in messages, you have other old messages.
So I'm going to, first of all, some voice message that may be outdated, so I'll check that out. Voicemail. And here, Dr. Dental,
Right.
which is a spam, so I'm going to shift and mark it for deletion, and then select delete and delete it,
See the trash, delete.
and repeat delete again. So I got rid of that.
Right. And in
The one
messages.
message that I send out, I don't want to get rid of.
No, but you have more than one message there.
I have only one message.
No, click on it
When
again.
I click on it,
You see the ones below? Three
oh,
on
there are you're right, there are two messages, and one for
Two
sure,
more.
one is mine.
The one
So I
means
wanna
you have a
click it.
recent message. You understand?
Yes, so I'm going to delete the one that is spammy.
No, the first one is not good. And the third one is spam.
The first one and the last one are mine. They're not spam.
Okay.
And then the Instagram code is a spammy.
Yeah.
So I'm going to shift and delete it
Okay.
and confirm. And then I want to check also to go to the Gmail
Gmail with what?
of the account.
Yeah.
So I want to navigate to the waffle first.
Waffle next to the A, to the left of the A.
Another time I would like to verify that I'm in the right account.
Yes, you are. Xstrategy.trade.
I have to view it here.
I see it here on the screen.
Yes, and then I go to the waffle.
The
And
waffle.
then I select
You want
the
Drive.
triangle for cloud,
no for drive,
for drive.
not cloud.
And then I will upload it. So I select plus new
Plus new on the lower, in the upper left.
in the upper left.
And
It's
then,
rather slow.
yes, it is.
And then I select folder upload.
Folder upload.
And then I will paste the entire string. Repeat it.
You're going to paste what's in the buffer, the string.
Right. So
Under
I place
folder.
the cursor in the folder field with Control V. I paste.
You're going to paste.
And then I need to remove everything but the path to the Google Voice One subfolder. So I
Right.
mark the rest of it for deletion.
Yes, you mark
Then
the
delete it.
delete it.
Then enter, and enter again to upload it. Confirm the upload by pressing the purple upload button.
And then click
Where
upload.
Google is telling me that it will upload all
Right.
folders from
Right,
Google Voice One.
right,
I click upload to confirm.
right.
and then Google replies by uploading one item,
Starting upload.
starting upload. In the meantime, I'm going to refresh my psr.exe so it won't get too large.
So you're going to go to PSR.
So I'm going to open the dialog box.
Where's that?
Oh, before that,
Oh, and now
it
it's
says replace
replace.
existing
Upload.
folder, which I
Right.
want to. So I click upload again to
Again.
confirm it.
Right, you want to write
And now
over.
it came back with 194.
Right, 0
So
of
before I-
194.
Before I continue, I go back to my notepad.
And put 194.
And first of all, I insert the prefix of X and space before the file name.
Okay.
And then after the file name, I put
94.
194,
That you know that was.
indicating that the subfolder, this subfolder includes 194 files.
And before, if you could see, it said 193. So you know that it's added one more file.
And then I want to save it, file, save,
Just save.
just so I don't lose it in case
For the update.
everything hangs up.
Okay. Now it's
At this
uploading.
point, I can stop and review.
Stop and review
So I
the
press the
step
stop
recorder.
and review button on the step recorder
Steps
dialog
recorder.
box.
Right.
Steps recorder, thank you for that dialog box. And I wait for the save option, and then I will save this
Review.
psr.exe file
Now
in
it's
a
saving
zip
output.
format. The stop and review button would be replaced by the save button.
Okay. And there's a circle going around.
Why do you only don't show your face here, but only the room?
Because it's a problem with the camera here and with this computer. It's not getting my face.
Or you have to update the driver maybe, or something like that.
There's a problem, and also I'm having a problem. It doesn't let me do live stream.
Okay, so that is all to do with Zoom.
Yeah.
So you should update the Zoom.
Yeah, client.
Log in later and update it. It takes some time.
Also, it's very.
Anyways, for now I want to save.
Save.
So I click on the save button.
Click on the save.
And wait for it to give me a chance to specify the file name.
Specify the file name.
So I'm going to paste the file name that I used before.
Paste the file name that you used before.
But first of all, I'm going to use as a template the previous file name.
Yeah.
Then after the .zip string, I'm going to mark it and delete the and paste over the remaining with Control V the new account, which is X strategy trade, and then delete the previous path that is no longer relevant with the delete button. Then I'm going to navigate to the beginning of the file name to update the date, the day of the week and the time. So the date was the current date is 3/27. So that's what I want to do. Now I change it to 3/27. To navigate to the bottom there, and in order to change it, got too many screens open all at the same time, and I cannot see my navigation button here. Just open it full screen so I can navigate to the bottom of this. I needed to be in the cloud. Okay. I don't know where my message went, but I'll do it again maybe. It's actually in Pissar. This is the wrong place. I got so confused after a while. Don't remember what I was doing. Pissar, okay. Yeah. So I'm going back to the beginning and navigating to 22 and upgrading to 7. So now the date will read 3-27, which is the 20th 7th day in the month of March in year 2026. I remove the C, which is version control, and the day of the week is Friday, capital F, lowercase r, period, and space. And then I'm going to put in the date. The time that I started was about 5:30 p.m.
Started at 6,
Okay, let's say 6 p.m.
and now it's 7.
And
No,
now it
it's
is
5.
7.
Now it's 6:58. 7 p.m.
7 p.m. is fine.
Yeah.
Now that I got that, I want to insert also the psar.txt path. So I copy to the clipboard buffer
Copy
after
it.
marking it,
Copy clipboard buffer.
and then insert the Control V
Control V.
followed by a backslash.
Followed by a backslash.
Review and right mouse click to copy to the clipboard buffer before I save it.
Before you save it.
Then I click the save button.
Click save.
And then review additional details button on the step recorder dialog box to scroll up to see which step number was the last
144.
section. This was step number 144, and you can see the last screenshot.
Yeah.
And as I scroll up a little more, you'll see the step describing the date and time, and then the message: user left click on text editor document in pop-up host. And as I scroll up, you'll see the previous step was step number 143, and the text that was involved, and the keystrokes that were involved, and finally the screen image and so on. So now that I'm done with it,
You're done.
I can start with a new recording and press the new recording button.
New recording.
And go back to my notepad.
Goes back to the notepad.
To make a note concerning this zip file.
Concerning the zip file.
So I'm going to navigate and open my notepad.
Open your notepad.
And after I noted it, I'm going to append the file name at the very bottom of my section with a opening braces and closing braces.
Opening brace.
But first I'd like to note with an X space that I have saved it to the local hard drive, then Control V to paste the message, and then don't say repeat what I said.
Need to rename.
How many times I have to tell you the same thing? A million times. Another thing that I can do at this point in time is upload the psar.exe1 subfolder to the cloud also.
You want to upload?
So I click the plus new sign, then
Plus
the
new.
folder upload sign
Folder upload.
Button, and now I'm waiting to enter the folder name.
What's the folder name?
So I'm going to Control V and paste the entire string, and then remove everything to the right of the backslash.
Right.
So what remains is the psar1 subfolder name,
And then you're going to
click once,
click once,
and click a second time, then touch the upload button, and then when it comes back, replace existing folder.
Replace it and say upload.
Upload.
psr.exe1 already exists.
And as I clicked on it 3 times and it doesn't work, I'll use them off, and then it worked.
Right.
And then it came back and said 319. So I go back to my notepad and I put a
319.
119 is a suffix
391.
line.
There's a suffix line.
So then I know that I also uploaded that Psar 1,
Bizarre one.
Psar.exe 1. I'll go file, save again.
I'll save again.
At this point, I'm ready to take on the next account.
Ready to take on next
But
account.
before I do that,
What?
I want to verify
Verify what?
in the Gmail account that I handled, that I delete all the outdated messages.
Oh, go. Okay. So you want to go to phone? No.
No, I want to go not to phone. I want to go to Gmail
Oh, Gmail.
and delete all the outdated messages.
Oh, okay. All the outdated emails.
Email messages, yes.
Because you also have messages from your phone.
Right.
That I didn't see you delete either.
Fine. So now I mark all the messages for deletion.
Make sure you're in the right
then
account.
Review them.
Are you in the right account?
Yeah, I'm going to look. I'm right account, X-Strategy Trade, yes.
Okay.
And then I have to scroll down for messages that I want to keep.
Okay.
Maybe I'll keep the VAPI messages.
VAPI message. Team VAPI.
So the team VAPI and VAPI messages shall keep.
Oh, you checked them.
Uncheck them so they won't be deleted, and then the rest of them I delete.
Okay. You want to delete, will expire in 30 days from March 27th. Okay.
Manage a subscription in one place.
Got it.
Got it. And now
you want to go
clean it up.
You want to clean out your messages too?
The only other thing that
your
I have
phone,
to do is
Google
navigate back to the original message to make sure that I delete that message. So here it is. This message says that it will expire, so I select the trash can and delete it. And now up to the next
225
message. The next message
is USA.
Please don't read the phone number.
Okay.
I highlight it with the cursor.
Highlight with the cursor.
Copy to the clipboard buffer.
Copy to clipboard buffer.
Then reduce the size of the browser so I can section another part of my notepad concerning this.
So you used braces before. You used
since I
curly
used
cues.
Braces before.
No, it's curly cues, not braces.
I use opening and closing braces. I'm going to use opening and closing brackets now.
Those are brackets, okay. That's
to set it apart.
Okay.
And then Control V to paste the message. And then close a couple of blanks and then closing brackets.
Closing brackets, okay.
To segregate the ending part. And
So,
now I segregated the next account. And first thing that I'd like to do is copy the account name, USA Name Us, to the clipboard buffer with edit copy.
Edit copy.
Then navigate.
You want to switch accounts?
To switch account. So the current account here is X-Strategy Trade.
No, you want
I'm going to scroll down
to add another account.
Add another account.
Add another account on the bottom. Click add another account.
So I have to click add another account.
Right. Not sign out. You're on sign out. You have to go.
Click add another account. And then scroll down again. And click use another account.
Use another account. Control V.
And then paste. Control V. The new account, which is name.
USA.
USA Name Us.
Right.
Then click next.
Next.
And then enter the password. And click next.
And then you have to
skip.
Yep.
and skip.
Skip.
So now that I finished with all of that,
Mm-hmm.
in this case I want to make an outbound call.
Right.
And so you'll talk to him, okay? If he picks up the phone, and if not,
Mm-hmm.
you leave him a message.
Okay.
Do you follow me?
Yes.
So I need to open my Word document where I have some notes about the phone number that I'd like to call.
Okay.
So I'm opening Word, scroll up to where the phone number is, and select the phone number to make an outbound call.
I'll select the phone number.
And you'll talk to him or leave him a message,
I'll just leave him a message. Yeah.
okay?
Yeah.
That you send him text, email,
Mm-hmm.
and also to his LinkedIn,
Okay.
okay?
His name is Jason, right?
Yes. This was concerning the AI PC lab.
Your call has been forwarded to voicemail. The person you're trying to reach is not available. At the tone, please record your message. When you have finished recording, you may hang up.
Hi, Jason. This is Dr. Sarah Rushinik from the University of Miami. We met in the city of Coral Gables in the beginning of the month. I sent you an email, also a LinkedIn message, and a text about setting up a NVIDIA lab. We're excited to have you be participating in that. I think it'd be great at the city of Coral Gables. So you can contact me back via my email, or you can contact me in my mobile 843.
Don't say it. It is in the email and the message.
It's in the
Tell him
email.
to look in the email and the message for your phone number.
And you can check my phone number. Talk to you later. Bye bye.
Give him the date and the time.
Today is Friday at 7:05 p.m.
March 27, 2026.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Okay, so that was the message for now. Now you can listen to the message.
Okay.
Okay. You send them a message too. So now I want to continue. I inserted the word will not expire in 30 days.
Mm-hmm.
And then I want to say called.
Right.
And his phone number.
I thought you said you weren't going to use that word.
Not the number itself. Jesus, please help me. And put Jason. Now I finished with that part of my file name. I want to copy the path to Google Voice to the clipboard buffer.
Clipboard buffer.
So I can save it.
Or you can save it.
And I navigate to the top of my notepad again.
Top of your notepad.
Repeat it. Jesus.
You navigated to the top of your notepad.
Blind child.
You want to put an X. Did you put an X into the left?
Control V to paste. And now I need to save it, and only then put the X in front.
Okay.
So I copy to the clipboard buffer, then I go File, Save As.
Save as.
Now that I saved it, I'm going to put an X
Put an
and a
X.
space
X
before
and
that.
space.
You cannot repeat something. It's you don't remember what I said just now. What is the problem with you?
Let's not. We don't need to record that.
Brain for flying. What can I do? What have I not tried yet with you? Now I want to navigate. Be sure that I'm still in the account, which is USA Namas.
Mm-hmm.
Navigate to the drive.
Navigate to the drive of name USA Namas.
Then select plus new. Folder upload and paste the string that
Paste the
contains
string.
the folder name. Control V, then delete
Then delete to the right.
everything to the right of the backslash.
To the right of the
Press
backslash.
enter.
Press upload.
And enter to confirm upload. Then click on the upload button.
Click on the upload button.
Then select overwrite, replace existing folder and upload again.
Upload options.
In the upload option dialog box. Then it says 195. So I go back to my notepad to
Go
note
back
it in my notepad.
Put in your notepad 195.
195. And enter.
And
And then I'm going to deal with a PSR. So I go back to PSR.
PSR. Step recorders.
Step recorder. Recording now dialog box and select stop and review.
Select stop and review. And now you're going to review
and wait for it to convert the stop and review button to the save button.
To the save button.
And then when I get the save button, I'm saving it.
And then you're saving it.
And that will be a zip file as opposed to the current file, which was a text file.
The current file
so
is a
text. I have two different formats. Now I click the save button and wait for it to prompt me with the file name.
With the file name. And now it's coming up.
It tells me your internet connection is unstable.
Okay.
So I'm going to take the previous message
change it
and overwrite part of it after the .zip with the current account.
With the current account.
And it was before X strategy trade. This one is
USA name.
So Control V to overwrite that. And then delete the portion that includes the path.
You don't need the path.
That is outdated and I don't need it. So select delete and delete it.
And you want to change the date. Don't you want to change the date?
No, the date is the same, so I don't want to change it.
No,
the
date
time is now 7:16. Don't interrupt all the time, please.
It's not the right
help,
date.
Don't hurt. I begged you already many times. Just repeat what I said.
Okay.
You obviously cannot remember anything, but at least repeat what I said in the last sentence. Aggravating every time. So I inserted the prefix of the path to the shard.exe. Now I'm reviewing it, copying the updated file name to the clipboard buffer and click Save to save it.
Click Save to save
and then click Review Additional Details and scroll up to see that included 109 steps.
You have step 109.
As I'm starting a new recording, and then go back to my notepad to start with an X space and Control V to indicate that I saved it in a zip type of file in the psr.exe subfolder, and then file save again.
File save.
And in so doing, I complied with a Google requirement as I navigate through the Gmail account to review the
Gmail
Gmail messages
messages.
and delete the outdated messages. So as I go back to the Google Workspace, I
Space,
mark all the messages for deletion and then review them and see if I want to keep one of the messages. So I mark all of them first, and then I look at the messages, seeing that they're all outdated, and delete all of them. Then go back to the voice
The voice account.
account to see if there are other outdated messages
Messages.
that I need to delete from there.
Okay.
And here I don't see any outdated messages.
There's no messages whatsoever.
I'm going to navigate back to the message that said that it is outdated, that it will expire.
Which one? Oh, in the original. You have to go to another. You have to go to the right account. The 11,000. The one that says 11,000 I think 49. What are you doing?
Trying to find the account. Doctors. Real.
Rush.
Yes, doctors.
I saw it there before.
Opening up the browser.
You see where it says 11,409? It's listed there. If you go to the fifth, yeah, that one. You have too many tabs open.
So I have to wait. So what can I do? I can try to go to another account, but
Or you can delete some.
images are in the way.
You have too many. Click on that Gmail there. That's the right account.
Here
Okay.
it is. So here's the message that's telling me that
No, that's the
will
X
be-
strategy one. That's not the USA.
Doesn't matter. Both of them are outdated,
Okay.
and both of them should be deleted.
Okay, so X strategy should be.
Want to move the message away. Now click this one to be deleted, and the next one.
That's not. 872 should be deleted.
Let's see what message is this.
Yeah.
USA name also that should be deleted.
Right.
Then I have two more.
You have 3 more.
Let's see. This one is.
You have 3 more.
I'm copying it to the clipboard buffer with Control C. Then I will minimize it. Go to my notepad and paste it in another section.
Okay, USA name us.
So the previous one was braces.
Right.
So the next one will be starting with
What?
slash, right slash,
Mm-hmm. Okay.
then the message Control V,
V. Okay. And then
and then the closing sign will be left
okay.
slashes,
Okay.
making up a screen-like
Mm-hmm.
format. Now I'm copying the account name to the clipboard buffer.
So you
Mark
take
it first
mark it first.
with edit copy.
Edit copy.
Copy to the clipboard buffer.
Copy.
Then navigate to
Navigate.
another Google Voice, which was
One.
USA chatbot. Doesn't matter what it was, but I'm going to add another account.
Add another
And
account.
it tells me that
You're
I
right.
exceeded all of them.
Yeah, you have to.
So I'm going to go to another one yet and just log out from all of them
Yeah.
and then log back in.
You have too many.
So I log out of all of them, sign out of all the accounts, and then I will log back into whichever account I'm interested
Oh, the
in.
last one. You see that? PTRNS. You got that? I saw it. You want to use another account?
No. I use another account, yes.
So why'd you say no?
I made a mistake.
Okay. Paste.
Paste the new account. Control V. And then next. Then enter the password. And then next again. And then I want to save it and confirm. Now I would like to change it.
You want that to be a recovery?
Phone number. Don't read it out loud,
Oh,
please.
no.
That will be the cycle. Then I copy.
No, you have the wrong number.
Buffer.
You have the wrong number.
Then I copy to the clipboard buffer, edit copy,
Hit a copy.
then mark the old number up and control paste to save to paste it,
Paste it.
which is wrong.
Why?
So I want instead to use with more base.
Okay.
With more base, because this way when you're teaching and I use your phone, I don't
Okay.
want to have to bother with you.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm going to enter that number instead.
You want another
Then
email?
proceed to save.
You want another recovery email?
No, that is fine.
Skip.
Actually, I should put Dr. A was what I did.
All right. I told you.
But I can go back, I'll do it another time.
It's all right.
So much.
Even when I'm teaching, you can
So
still
now
gain
I want
access
to
to that account. Now you want to go to the
Navigate
voice
to voice.
in the waffle. There it is. So what number you want to
Voice.
call?
I want to
What text do you want to make? Maybe text what's already in your buffer.
voicemail, message. I want to message,
Yeah.
and I will prepare the message in my notes.
Okay. What's the message?
So I'm going to my notepad to
Go to the
frame
okay.
the message.
Okay.
You will start with the account name and segregate the first 3 characters.
Right.
Proj
Proj.
with open and close parentheses.
Open and close parentheses.
Then put a note after the account name with an @
You'll
sign.
have an @ sign.
Then I want to copy the message from Google to the buffer, edit, copy,
Edit copy.
then go back and paste it.
Paste it there.
And then put the message, the abbreviation M, capital M and small letter
Okay.
SG.
Okay.
And take the account that I just used before
Okay.
that should be listed there.
But
and
where's the
text
phone number?
it the message.
Okay, good.
Edit, copy to the clipboard buffer.
Copy to the clipboard buffer. Put it in the number.
And paste it after the word message.
Message.
Control V.
Do you want to put not on after will?
Yes, and I want to insert the word not
After will.
after the statement that said
Will.
because it will expire.
Oh.
So I insert will, capital N-O-T, will not expire. And now I need to also copy the path to Google Voice. I want to copy the path to Google Voice.
Which is right there.
And then save it. To that.
Copy to the buffer.
Copy to the clipboard buffer. Scroll up to the top of the notepad and insert it.
Insert in the beginning.
Control V at the beginning. Now I got a complete string.
Right.
With the path plus the file name.
Plus a number.
Edit, copy to the clipboard buffer, and then go file save as and
File
save it to the hard drive.
Save it. You have to first put it in the file name.
So I paste it
in the file name.
On top of the previous one.
Right.
But apparently I didn't make it. I had some carriage returns there or something like that.
You didn't get the whole thing.
So I removed the spaces, the carriage returns, and anything that I didn't remove as of now. After days, I think I may have some carriage return or some space or some problem. Yes. So that was the problem. So
Okay.
I need to copy to the clipboard buffer yet again. Edit.
Copy. File save as.
And then file save as.
So slow.
And then save.
No, it's not good.
Just a minute. I've done it twice.
You did it twice. It's not good. Take out the other part.
Take the redundant part out and see if I can remain with only one folder.
Yeah. Okay, that looks good.
With the path and the number.
And the number. You want to copy to the clipboard again just to make sure.
I want to copy it again to the clipboard buffer with Control C and then save it.
And then save it.
And then go back to my notepad.
And then go back to your notepad.
Control V to paste it again.
Yeah.
And place an X and a
in
space
front
in front. X and space.
Okay.
And file save again.
File save. Then you need one to upload it to the drive.
Then I want to navigate. Be sure that I'm still in the project and
you have to send a message now.
Project us.
Right. You have to send a message. You haven't sent a message here.
And I want to.
Don't you want to send a message first? You didn't send a message.
Just a minute, please.
You didn't send them a new message. To this account, you didn't send a new message.
Go to
right there,
messages.
send the plus.
Plus.
Then on the type message, you don't have the message in your buffer, do you?
I have the message, and then I take the number.
Right.
Copy to the clipboard buffer with Control C.
Right.
Then paste it.
At the 2.
Control V, the 2 field. Then click
Send to.
Right. Wait for it to turn blue. And then click it to see the message sent.
Which you did. Now you want to delete the 843 that you've done before in a previous time on June 25th?
No, I have to go back to my notepad to mark
Okay.
the notepad. Put an X in front of it that it was saved locally.
Save locally.
Then I want to upload it to the cloud.
Yeah, now you want to upload it to the cloud. You want to go to the drive.
So I navigate the waffle first.
Go to drive.
And then the drive second.
The drive.
And after I get the drive,
After you get the drive,
when I add the plus
new folder.
Folder upload.
Folder
next.
upload.
And then paste the folder name, which is constant really.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to go to the field there and Control V to paste it all.
No, you have the phone number.
You didn't get the whole
No.
message. So I'm going to go back.
Don't you want to just do the Google Voice, right?
And copy the entire string again.
I thought you just wanted the folder. Didn't you just want the folder, not the entire string? Because it says folder here.
Edit, copy. Now I want to delete everything to the right of there.
Mm-hmm.
And upload it to the
Now
Google Drive.
upload. Maybe we should, this should be our last one and we can do another
Upload
sentence.
button. Sometimes they return the default do not work, so you have to use your finger and, and replace existing folder.
Folder, upload, click upload.
And see that this is only 109 folders. I don't know why there should be a lot more than 100.
No, it says 196.
Yeah, but it should be more than that.
No,
But anyways,
196, not 109.
196, okay, so I go back to my
That's right.
notes
That's always the same.
and put 196 at the end.
Not 109.
196.
Right.
And enter.
Enter. Perfect.
And then file save again.
Then file save.
Now that I finished with that,
You wanna do the PSR?
I need to go to the right browser. Delete the message that says that it will expire.
Yeah, you got that.
And look whether I have additional messages.
You have 2 more.
Yeah, I have 2 more.
Why don't we stop right now? It's a good
I'm
time.
so tired now.
Yeah, let's stop now. It's a perfect time. And then you can finish everything up.
So we'll do
You
the
need your
other
problem
messages.
step. You need your problem step recorded. And you only have 2 left, and it was March 25th. It was just 2 days ago. So
All right. Let me just take a look as to what it is. Okay, one is Dr. ARush.
that doesn't make sense.
One is Dr. ARush, okay.
But it's 567.
Huh?
I don't know what that is really.
Lord Webmaster. Okay, one is gone. Web, and this one is WizMobiz. Okay, so
Okay.
that will remain.
Yeah.
In the meantime,
You need step recorders to save to. Go to your steps recorder, make sure that's saved.
recorder. Let me go to that then.
Stop and
Okay.
review.
And save the last one.
Yeah. What are you doing now?
Where is that?
Where'd it go?
Here it is.
Still.
Now I have to click the save button to save it.
Okay.
Click the stop and it stopped it. Now I need to click the save and save it.
Okay, what happened? Not responding, it says. You see steps to
Yeah, it may
record.
have to take some time. So in the
Okay.
meantime, I can go to MSN Recorder and stop
Stop
it.
it. Okay. You want to stop sharing? I can,
Yeah, and I can
and
also stop sharing.
that way I can finish up the other part.
Yeah, stop sharing.
Stop sharing. Okay.
And close it or leave or what?
Let me finish. Okay.
Okay.
You can leave. Why don't you leave? You can leave. Or do you want me I can just turn it off earlier.
I want to save it. I'll click the save button to save it.
I'm going to stop Zoom.
Fine. Host ended, okay. I still want to save my Pishar. Go back to MSN Recorder Max.
Shut my phone.